to show you what comes in it. Now, if you don't know what FabFitFun is, it is a seasonal subscription box, so it comes once every season. It retails for $49.99, but the value of everything inside is usually well between like $200 to $300, so it's a really good value. I love it for like gifts, so a Mother's Day gift, or you know, even like a birthday gift, a Christmas gift, whatever. And I think it is well worth the value. So I do have a coupon code down below if you want to check it out, and you can get $10 off your first box. So check that out in the description box. And I want to thank FabFitFun for sponsoring today's video. When you open up the box, every box comes with a little magazine, and inside this is a bunch of useful tips, tricks, information, and it also has all the different variations for the box and the prices for each individual item, so you can see what they retail for. We will definitely be referring back to this as we look through my box. So it's really nice that they include that in there. You also get some coupons. This one is a HelloFresh $50 gift card, so you get $25 off your first 2 boxes. Josh and I have actually used one of the gift cards that we got and made it, and it was really, really good. And we really enjoyed it, so we like to keep these around. Now I'm just going to be grabbing items out of the box randomly. So the first thing that I grabbed is this jump rope from the brand 11. And I was actually sent 2 FabFitFun boxes. So I already opened the other one that they sent me. I'm not sure why they sent me 2, but it also had a jump rope in it, and Josh has been taking it to the gym, and he loves it, so that says anything. But yeah, inside is just this very pretty periwinkle purple colored jump rope, and jump roping is such a good exercise. I'm pretty sure like if you jump rope for 10 minutes or something, it's equivalent to like running several miles. Like, it's really good exercise. So if you're trying to get that summer bod, which aren't we all, jump roping can be a really good way to do that. So that's the jump rope. Now every box has different variations of items that you can get, so they're chosen at random, so everyone gets something a little bit different. So you could have either gotten the jump rope, which retails for $15, a detox brush, which retails for $18, or a face cleanser, which retails for $28. And they have certain subscriptions where you get to pick and choose certain items, and then there are certain items that everyone just gets a random option, so it just depends on your subscription. The next product I'm pulling out is from Dr. Brandt, and I actually have already received this. I have this from an old Boxycharm, I believe, so I'll probably just save this and give it to a conditioners. I love deep conditioning masks. I just like hair care, especially because I do pretty lighten my hair. Because you can see my roots are like a dirty blonde. It's kind of gotten darker as I got older. So to keep up with the light blonde that I normally like to have, I do have to damage my hair. So I think this will be very, very nice. Also, I am wearing a shirt. I feel like it keeps looking like I am naked. I am not naked. But yeah. So there's the leave-in conditioner. That was another item that everybody received in their box, and it retails for $26. The next item is a water bottle. I have seen this brand at like Target and Walmart, I believe, but it's the Sip by Swell. I actually used to have a Swell water bottle back in the day. I might have even used it in older videos, like for my intro, but it got dented because my sister dropped it. So, but I really like them. They're so nice for keeping drinks cold or hot for, I believe, 12 hours or longer. Seriously, a lifesaver. Yeah, they're just like a stainless steel thermos style water bottle, similar to like hydro flask and stuff like that. So mine is peach colored, and it has little navy blue whales all over it, which is really, really cute. So that water bottle retails for $19.99. Now you could have gotten the water bottle or a Ciate London translucent powder or a necklace. So those were the three variations for that item. The next item is from the brand Mana Qatar. I think I'm saying that right. And it is the Champagne Charcoal Scrub. And this is just a nice exfoliating body scrub. And it smells really good. And charcoal is super duper good for you, for your teeth, for your skin, stuff like that. So, and it's a huge tub. This will last forever. And that was another item that everyone received in their box, and it retailed for $24. The next item is probably my favorite thing I have ever received in a FabFitFun box. I have heard about these and always wanted to try them, but I'm just not the kind of person who spends money on like nice sunglasses. I tend to just get cheap ones. I don't know. It's just not one of those things that I ever invest in, but I've always wanted to try them. These are the Key Australia sunglasses. And I am so excited to use these over the spring and summer. They're like an aviator sort of style, but a little bit bigger. And I just think the aviator style looks good on my face shape, but that's what they look like if I want to, you know, hide my under eye bags. I can just wear these. But I just think they're really, really nice, and I'm really excited about them. This is a very well-known brand on YouTube that I've heard about from lots of like fashion beauty influencers, so I thought that was really cool. Now, this was another variation item. So you could have gotten the sunglasses in the style My Girl, which are more of like a cat eye. You could have got them in Vivian, which are the ones that I got. Or you could have gotten a picnic set or a Course sleeping facial mask. And these sunglasses retail for $60. So a lotion. And these are always good to have. You can never have, you know, too many lotions. You can just throw them in your purse or your bag or your backpack, so your skin always stays hydrated. So that was a very Asian item. It retails for $19. You could have gotten the lotion or a set of measuring spoons or a mystery item. I don't know what the mystery item is since I didn't receive it, but if you did get FabFitFun and you received the mystery item, let me know in the comments below what it was, because I'm kind of curious to know. The last item is in this little bag. It's from the brand Dulux, and it is a backpack. So it looks like this. It's a very pretty two-toned colored backpack. It's like cloth and then pleather, probably. And then it has the straps on the back, stuff like that. I think this is perfect for like going on spring break trips or to like a concert, music festival, or just like a day out, because it's small and can hold like your wallet, a water bottle, stuff like that. But it's still very stylish and cute. I feel like I'm gonna get a lot of use out of it in the next few months. And that was also a very Asian item. So the backpack retails for $75, or you could have received a Show Me Your Moo Moo robe or a aromatherapy essential oil diffuser. I'm actually glad I got the backpack. I think that's what I will use the most. So that is everything that was in my spring FabFitFun box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, let me know. Again,